Welcome again to another episode. In this episode, we're going to continue with conditional. We just want to do one of the simplest things. This is for conditional. I want to use an icon on this one. If you have checked on my first video I've ever posted in this channel, I was showing you how to display certain hidden files. It's like a drop down list, if you may. So I was using a plus and minus icons. So let's go to plus. So when you're on an app, certain places when there's a plus sign, when you click the plus sign, obviously you will see more. So yeah. So in this one, I just wanted to show you what will happen when you put some conditional on it so that it might look more fancy. So for an example, let me see conditional. Then I go to when this icon is hovered. So something will happen when someone put the mouse cursor on top when it's hovered. I want to the icon, let's change it to green. It's fine, change it to green. Also let's do the rotation. It's okay. This is a very simple condition conditional or expression which you can do, guys. So here it is. When I put a mouse cursor, it will start to, when I hover on it, it will start to rotate or do whatever which I asked it to. Let's see. You can even choose when it's pressed. So see, when it's pressed. So when it's pressed, it is. When it's over, it's no longer doing. When it's pressed, is doing that. You can even add a lot of things here. It was showing like end. This icon is hovered. So press OK. Same thing. When I go back there to preview, meaning that on all those two conditional expression, when it's hovered, when it's pressed, it's rotating. When it's hovered, it needs to rotate. Something happened. Let me go. See, when the icon is end. Oh, sorry, I say end. I should say oh. See. Yeah, sometimes you can put a conditional when you need to have two things to be met for something to happen, which is good. That's where you're going to use an end. But I needed either of the two to make it to rotate and change to green. See? But when I press it won't. But it's a bad example. But yeah, that's some thing which you can do with conditional. Let me just double check and see other things which you can change here. You can change the background color. There's a lot of things you can change here. Let's see, the width, the height, the merge, the border. You can make the border to be dotted borders. A lot of things which you can do there. What else? You can also have the color of the border. Be yellow. But all of those things I mean will be done as soon as see. So yeah, thanks a lot for joining me, guys. I'll do another video. It's coming in for the leaderboard as I have advised on this part 2. But I'll put some few videos before I do that, because I need to structure that video very well. Thanks. Cheers. Oh, sorry, don't forget to subscribe and like, guys. It will help my channel to grow. And also you can comment below on what I can do to improve this. Open for any suggestions, any feedback would be very much appreciated. Cheers.